One of the most talked about iOS 18 features is the fully redesigned control center. Unlike before, you have the full freedom to customize your control center by changing icons, replacing the unnecessary buttons, and even adjusting the size of controls. On top of all, you can also add your favorite apps and features to the control center, like the Quick Note, for a hassle-free access. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So to get us started, you have to swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to bring up the control center. And then you have to tap on the plus button. And then you have to tap on the add a control button at the bottom. And then you have to scroll down to the notes section and choose the quick note option. Alternatively, you can take advantage of the search bar at the top to easily find the quick note. And finally, tap on the empty space to confirm the action and get out of the editing mode, and you are all set. Going forward, you can launch the quick note right from the control center on your iPhone. Just like this. Super handy, isn't it? As and when you want to jot down your thoughts, make the most of this handy shortcut. Later, if you ever want to remove the Quick Note shortcut from the control center, just get into the same editing mode and then hit the minus button at the top of the shortcut icon to remove it, and that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily add a Quick Note to your iPhone control center in iOS 18 or later. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a good time. Bye.